Greeting, this is Donnie. All right, so let's talk about multiplying and dividing one-step equations. So if you see right here, we have, I'm gonna read this, follow my cursor of how I read this problem. -6 equals 3 times t. You know what? I'll just go ahead, there's like a plus sign, so let me go ahead and fix this right quick. Let's say x. 3 times x, okay? So the goal is to get x by itself. This is 3 times x, okay? And so the um so when you have multiplication, you want to do division. It's the opposite, the multiplication property or division property, in order to move that 3 away from x. So here we go. I will go ahead and draw my line like I did with the adding and subtracting one step equation problems. 3 is being multiplied to x. So I will want to go do division to move this away. Okay? So the 3 kind of cancel each other out. X is by itself. -6 divided by 3 is -2. Okay? You want to remember your integer rules, okay? A positive and a positive makes a negative. I'm sorry, scratch that. A positive and a positive makes a positive. A negative and a negative makes a positive. But a negative and positive makes a negative, okay? I got a video that talks about that, so if you need a refresher, just go back to that video. But again, you need your integer rules because integer rules may be a part of this. This is algebra, so negative numbers, positive numbers, they're all going to be intermingling with each other. All right, here we go. Next little example here. I have 2 equals 2 times b. Again, I draw my line. Okay, 2 is being multiplied to b, so I use division to divide the 2. Okay, and one thing I want to say is that you're not dividing or multiplying the opposite number. Just like we did with addition and subtraction, those were opposite numbers because they were being added or subtracted, right? Multiplication and division is not that. Do not divide the opposite integer. Like if this is a positive 2, divide positive 2. I divide the same 2. 2 divided by 2, this crosses out. 2 divided by 2 is 1, right? 1 equals b. Boom, we're done. All right, here we go. Now we have division. So this fraction line, fraction is division. Again, fractions is division. So I'm going to read this like a division problem. 3 is equal to y divided by -4. Okay? So what do we do here? I'm going to read again. 3 equals y divided by, right? This is division. Divided by -4. So again, they're showing us division. We want to go ahead, draw our line. We want to move this -4, so we're going to multiply -4 on both sides. Okay? We're going to multiply -4 to this 3 right here. And -4 times 3 equals -12. Of course, this cancels out. -12 is equal to y. Boom, you're done. All right. Next, -10 is equal to x divided by -4. Oh, we got to divide -4 again, huh? So, here we go. Again, we multiply, because since we're already dividing, we're going to multiply the -4 to both sides, all right? Forgot to draw my line there. Multiply -4. -4 times 10. A negative and negative makes a positive, so that gives me 40. A positive 40 equal to x. All right. Hopefully you learned for this. Leave a comment at the bottom. Please like and subscribe to this page. Share it to friends. If y'all having trouble, parents, share this to your kids, to your friends, so y'all be able to be more successful on homework or just the understanding of this concept. All right. You have a blessed day.